Hare Krishna. Hello friends, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing well. This is Jitendra. I am preacher of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. So let's get continue from chapter number 5th, from verse number 21 to 29. The last part of this particular chapter 5th, Karma Yoga, the action in Lord Krishna's consciousness. Here, Lord Krishna stated, Brahya Parsava Asakt Atmana Vindyate Atmani Yakta Sukham. च ब्रह्म योग युतात्मा सुखम अक्षयम अनुसते. Such a liberated person is not attracted to the material senses pleasure, material sense of the pleasure, and always in the trance, enjoying the pleasure within, enjoying the pleasure within. अपने अंदर ही enjoy कर लेते pleasure को. And in this way, the self-realized person enjoy unlimited happiness, for he concentrate on the Supreme. That person would always concentrate on the Supreme. That person will never fight with anyone. That person will never go for any kind of revenge. Only that kind of person is self-situated. The person who is in trance, the person who is in self-realization. Only that kind of person achieve the Supreme Personality Godhead, Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna further stated, एहि संस्पर्शम जा भोग दुख योने एवते आदंतवंत कौन्ते न तेषु रमते बुधः. An intelligent person does not take a part in the source of miseries. Intelligent person will never take a part of the source of the miseries, who are due to contact with the material senses, who are due to contact with the material senses. O son of Kunti, such a pleasure have a beginning and end. Such a material pleasures are beginning and also end. So wise man doesn't delight in them. The wise man doesn't delight on them. The pleasures, the material senses are come to end, sure to end. So the intelligent person will never go for the material miseries and material pleasure. The particular person, intelligent person, will find a pleasure within himself or herself, within the body, within the Atma, within the soul. So this is stated by Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna further stated, Sakroto hi heva so do prakta sarira vimoksanata kama krodha ivata vega sayukta cha sukhi naraha. Sukhi nara, what kind of people are very happy? Lord Krishna here stated, before giving up this present body, if one is able to tolerate the urge of the material senses and check the force of the desire and anger, check the force of the desire and anger, he is well situated and is happy in this world. That person is well situated. When the time of the quitting of the body, at that time, he doesn't has to associate with the material senses, and he doesn't has to force of the desire and anger. Only that kind of person will definitely become happy in this material world. How to be happy in this material world? Make yourself free from the material desire or expectation, and as well as anger, greed and lust. Trividam narakasya dvaranam nasanam atmanaha. Lord Krishna, Madhav, Madhusudan, Murari stated, Trividam narakasya dvaram. Trividam, there are three gates which are leading to the head: lust, anger and greed. Every sensible person, the self-realized person, should have to give up this all three, because these all are responsible for the leading to destroy the soul. So here Lord Krishna stated, the person who has renunciated the lust, anger and greed, and also material senses and force of the desire, that kind of person only be happy in this material world. Lord Krishna further stated, Yo ante sukhot atmana jyotirvechah sa yogi brahma nirvana brahma bhuto adhigacchati. Brahma bhuto adhigacchati. One whose happiness is within. One whose happiness is within, who is active and rejoice within, who is active and rejoice within, whose aim is inward, is actually the perfect mystics, whose aim is inward, is perfectly mystics, and he is liberated in the Supreme, and ultimately he attains the Supreme. Who is liberated in the Supreme and ultimately he attains the Supreme. This is stated by Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna further stated, Labante Brahma Nirvana Musrabha Srina Kalmasa Chinna Desa Yatatmana Sarva Bhuta Hita Rataha. Sarva Bhuta Hite Rataha. Here Lord Krishna stated, those who are beyond the dualities that arise from the doubts, the dualities arise from the doubt, and whose minds are engaged within, who are always busy by working for the welfare of the all the living entity. The person who is intelligent, the person who is self-realized, always himself engaged in the welfare activities of the living entity, and who is free from all the sins and achieve the liberation in the supreme. Only that kind of person will surely get a supreme liberation, and also supreme destination, supreme abode of Lord Krishna, who is always work for the society, who is always work for the people. Lord Krishna further stated, Kama Krodha Vimukta Atmana Yatina Yata Cheta Sama Abhito Brahma Nirvana Vatati Vidit Atmana Vartati Vidit Atmana. Here Krishna stated, Kama Krodha Vimukta Atmana Yatina Yata Cheta Sama Abhiti Brahma Nirvana Vartate Vidit Atmana Vartate Vidit Atmana. Here Lord Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Madhav Madhusudan stated, those who are free from the anger and also all the material desire. Lord Krishna here clearly stated how to make yourself free from this all the things, all the material things or material bondage, and how to make yourself happy in this material world. You have to do one thing, free from the anger and all the material desire, who are self-realized, self-disciplined and constantly endeavoring for the perfection, are assured for the liberation in the supreme in a very near future. That are assured to get a supreme liberation in the near future. What kind of people are entitled to get a liberation? The person who doesn't has any kind of material desire and free from the anger, lust and greed, who are self-realized, self-disciplined and also constantly endeavoring for the perfection. Only that kind of person will get the supreme destination. Lord Krishna further stated, Sparsana Krutva Brahma Brahmane Shruva Sravena Dhruvo Prana Prano Samakrutva Nasastyam Abhicharniyo Yatentra Indrame Buddhi Minuksra Saparayana Videt Gasyatme Bhaya Krodaya Sada Mukta Ivasah Sada Mukta Ivasah. Here Krishna says Sada Mukta Ivasah, shutting out all the external sense of object, keeping the eyes and vision concentrated between the two eyebrows, and suspending in the inward and outward breath within the nostrils. Thus the controlling the mind, senses and intelligence, the transcendentalist aiming at the liberation and become free from the desire, fear and anger, and who is always in the state of the certainly liberated. That person is already established himself in the liberation stage. Bhaktar yagya tapasah sarva loke maheswarah sarva loke maheswarah sruhad sarva bhutan jnana ma santi adhigacchati santim gacchati. Here Lord Krishna stated, the person in full consciousness of me. Lord Krishna here clearly stated, the person who is in full consciousness of me, knowing me to be ultimate beneficiary of the all sacrifice and austerities. Knowing me, that person knowing that I am the goal, I am the beneficiary of all the sacrifice and austerities, the Supreme Lord of all the planet of the demigods, the Supreme Lord, I, Lord Krishna stated, the person who knows that I, means Krishna is the Supreme Personality Godhead, Supreme Lord of all the planet and also demigod, and also benefactor and well-wisher of all the living entity, and attain the peace from the pains of the material miseries. Maheswara, Lord Krishna is Maheswara. Here, the person who knows Lord Krishna is Maheswara, is the Supreme Personality Godhead, will surely make himself free from the material desire and material miseries. That person will definitely make himself free from the material desire and miseries. The person who is in Krishna consciousness and knowing me, knowing Krishna as ultimate beneficiary of all the sacrifice and austerities, and the Supreme Lord of all the planet and demigods, the person who knows that the Lord Krishna is the Supreme Lord of all the planets and demigods, and also benefactor and well-wisher of all the living entity. Lord Krishna is a benefactor and also well-wisher of all the living entity. Attain the peace and pains of the material miseries, and the pains of the material miseries, pains of the material miseries listen it very carefully, the pages of the material miseries, that person will definitely make himself free from the all kind of material miseries. Lord Krishna here stated, na bhoktar yagya tapasah sarva loke maheshwara. Lord Krishna is sarva loke maheshwara. Ishvara param Krishna Sachidanand Vigraha Anadir Adir Govinda Sarva Karana Karanam. He is the supreme cause of the all causes. ईश्वर परम कृष्ण. अगर भगवान में कोई परम है तो कृष्ण है. दिस इज स्टेटेड बाय ब्रह्मा जी इन ब्रह्म संहिता. Even Lord Shiva stated, Lord Krishna is great, Lord Krishna is supreme, Lord Krishna is God. Even Brahmaji stated, Lord Krishna is God, and Lord Krishna finally stated, yes, I am God and you have to worship me. If you surrender unto me, then you will surely attain my supreme abode. Lord Krishna here stated, Sarva dharman paritejante mame ekam sarnam vajraha aham tam sarva papebhyo mokshasyami masula. aham tam sarva papebhyo mokshasyami masula. सभी धर्मों का त्याग करके पार्थ मेरी शरण में आ जाओ. केवल मेरी शरण में आ जाओ पार्थ. तुम्हें तुम्हारे सारे कर्मों से मुक्त कर दूंगा, तुम्हें तुम्हारे सारे पापों से मुक्त कर दूंगा और तुम्हें मोक्ष दिला दूंगा पार्थ. सभी धर्मों का त्याग करके मेरी शरण में आ जाओ पार्थ. सर्व धर्मान परित्यजन्ते मामे एकम शरणम वज्रः अहम तम सर्व पापेभ्यो मोक्षयिष्यामि मा सुलः. मोक्षयिष्यामि मा सुलः. Krishna stated, mokshasyami ma sulah. If you surrender to me, then you will get a salvation. It's my guarantee. Krishna said, I am guaranteeing you, I am ensuring you. If you surrender to me, then you will get a supreme destination. You will get supreme abode. I will make you free from your all kind of sinful activities, your past karma. I will make you free from your all the sinful activities past if you surrender to me. This is stated by Lord Krishna. And I have completed chapter number 5 of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. I hope you all understood. If you are having any questions, any doubt, then please kindly put a comment. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna. Radhe Radhe.